Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from RAS 1253C. For this video presentation, we will present about TikTok data. This is our group member, Nurul Hazikah binti Rizwan, Nur Idina Izzati binti Omar, and me, Nur Syamimi Azliha binti Hazli. Hello, my name is Nur Syamimi Azliha binti Hazli. First, I will introduce about this topic. TikTok is a leading platform for short-form videos, allowing users to share creative, educational, and entertaining content using simple editing tools and audio features. With millions of active users, it offers fast and engaging space for global interaction. The platform aims to provide a safe, inclusive, and authentic environment, encouraging users to explore new trends, connect with diverse communities, and enjoy meaningful content. TikTok also supports digital entrepreneurship through brand partnership, sponsor posts, and live gift, enabling creators to earn income and grow their personal brand. Next, we have 4 objectives of this project, which is first, to describe the descriptive statistic of the video like count and video duration. Second one, to identify the strength and correlation between video like count and video duration. Third, to model the video like count and video duration using simple linear regression. Lastly, to make a prediction using the simple linear regression model. The significance of study about this topic is this study shows that video duration can influence the number of likes a TikTok video receives. Since TikTok is a platform focused on short and engaging content, shorter videos are often watched more and therefore gain higher engagement. TikTok videos range from funny skits and memes to educational and lifestyle content, and shorter formats tend to attract viewers' attention more effectively. To conclude, it is important for us to know how TikTok works to make sure the video post gets more engagement.
Hi, I'm Nur Idina Izzati and I will explain about Chapter 2, which is methodology. For 2.1, which is the data description, it shows that video duration second and video like count is a type of quantitative continuous, while the level of measurement for duration second and video like count is ratio. This is because the zero value means nothing. Next, we move to the 2.2 graphical technique. Firstly, we use histogram known as frequency distribution, in which the height of the bar represents the frequencies. Y-axis in the data is frequency and x-axis is the class boundary. Secondly, we use scatter plot, in which the graph that represents the relationship between two variables in a data set. Lastly, we go to the 2.3 numerical technique that consists standard deviation, mean, simple linear regression, median, Pearson correlation coefficient, minimum, and maximum number in a data set. So I will pass to my next friend.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hazikah. Now I will be talking about the results and interpretation. First, let us look at the histogram. The histogram has shown the distribution of X and Y. From this histogram, we can observe that the TikTok dataset is skewed to the right, also known as positively skewed. Now, let's look at the descriptive statistics analysis for this TikTok dataset. For our variables X and Y, which is video duration and video like count, we have taken a sample size of 50 for both variables. The mean for X is 30.26 seconds, while the mean for Y is 181,926.94 likes. The median for X is 30, while the median for Y is 149,051. The minimum and maximum for X is 5 and 59 seconds, while for Y is 193 and 572,415 likes. the standard deviation for X is 14.04, while for Y is 159,481.72. Now let's move on to the correlation and regression analysis. Right on the screen, we have the scatter plot alongside with the regression line and the equation. The scatter plot of X versus Y shows that the points are widely scattered with no signs of positive and negative correlation. This scatter plot is known to be a no correlation graph. Now it is about the value of correlation coefficient, also known as R. The correlation coefficient is 0.099, indicating that there is a moderate positive correlation between the variables X and Y. For the equation of the regression line, it can be denoted as Y equals to 215,800.717 minus 1119.424x. This means that the video light count, which is our Y, depends on the video duration, which is our X. Now, let's give an example for the prediction. If X equals to 48 in a situation, then Y equals to 162,068.37, which is in the range of variable Y. Let's talk about the slope. The slope, also known as B, was found to be negative 1119.424. This means that for every 1 second increase in video duration, the number of likes decreased by 1119.424. Lastly, from me, the value of R squared is 0.0097. This means that only 0.97% of the variation in video light count is explained by the video duration, whereas the remaining 99.03% is explained by other relevant factors.
To sum up, we have successfully achieved the objective of this report on the TikTok dataset about the relationship between the video duration and the video light count. Our dataset was found to be quantitative continuous variable. The skewness for this dataset was found to be skewed to the right. For the strength and direction of the relationship between X and Y, there is a moderate positive correlation between variables. For the scatter plot, there is no correlation between the variables because there are no signs of positive and negative correlation. The value of R squared is 0.0097, meaning that 0.97% of the total variation in the video light count is explained by the video duration, while another 99.03% of the variation is explained by another factor.